On a really nice day like today, I was sitting on my porch and I was thinking, wonder what we could do today. What could we do today? And I was thinking that we could have pizza. It's a nice day. Who wants to cook? We'll just put a pizza in the oven or order a pizza. That'd be all right. You know, too hot to cook. But I did find this really good book for y'all. Pizza with everything on it. I have a feeling they mean everything. So let's check it out, okay? Got all those pretty colors. A beautiful red house, and the kids on the bike with their dad, and a sailboat, and a swimming pool. All the kind of stuff you do in the summertime, huh? When the nice weather. A pizza with everything on it. When your dad opens a pizza shop, whew, let's switch sides. That'd be easier for me to see. You can have whatever kind of pizza you want. So when dad asked what I was hungry for, I said, give me a pizza with everything on it. Dad said, everything? I said, everything. See the kitty? There's a kitty and a green car. And it says, Papa's. That must be his pizza company. You guys think he makes good pizza? Maybe. Let's see. Dad tossed the dough while I stirred the sauce. We put down 3 kinds of cheese and then added a 4th just to be safe. Ooh, cheddar cheese, Swiss cheese, mozzarella. That's my favorite. Oof, and a mysterious 4th cheese. I wonder what that is. We started with the basics: pepperoni, sausage, tomatoes, peppers, even those little mushrooms that look like noses. You see, Dad, he's like, oh, little boy's, he's using the mushroom as a nose. Dad said, perfect. But I said, no, Dad, I want a pizza with everything on it. Ooh, let's see what happens. Dad ran across the street and came back with his arms full of groceries: pickles, ice cream cones, boiled eggs, apples, a bag of chips, an entire turkey. A lot of it went on the pizza. I have a friend here visiting, so I'm going to put my book down for just a minute so my friend can come up and say hello, and then we'll get back to the book. Do you want to come up and say hello? Oh, this is my friend Millie. Millie, say hi. You tell everybody hi. You tell them, say, we were outside and we were playing in some water. Huh. We're having a good time today, aren't we, Millie? You want to go play some more? You tell everybody, say, see you later. Say, see you later. Okay. There you go, darling. She's listening to the book as she's playing in some water on Grandma's porch. So we were talking about pickles and ice cream cones and apples with worms, boiled eggs, potato chips, turkey. All of it went on my pizza. But Dad said, perfect. I said, no, Dad, I want everything on it. Dad got a mischievous look in his eye. And I knew exactly what he was thinking. Everything, huh? Everything. In a flash, Dad threw his rolling pin onto the pizza, followed by the chef's hat. He put a blender on top of the pizza and Dad added a table and chairs. Books, pencils, a notebook fell onto the pizza as I turned the backpack upside down. Dad said, perfect. But I said, no, Dad, I want a pizza with everything on it. Dad said, I think we're going to need to take this outside. It's a crazy pizza. Dad rolled the pizza into the street as I rode my bicycle up and onto the toppings. Dad added a doghouse, then a tree house, then a real house, and then the White House. Okay. But something was about to go terribly wrong. Oh, what do you think could be going wrong? Sorry, Millie needed help with her water. Perhaps it was the addition of the particle accelerator, or perhaps the weight of the pizza simply became greater than what the crust could bear. Whatever it was bad. Millie, what's going to happen? Oh, what is that? Are those penguins? Penguins on pizza? Just as Dad was pushing the wheelbarrow full of penguins to the top of the pizza, there was a loud pop. And then crunch. And then we all started to fall. Oh no. In a blink of an eye, the pizza began to collapse in on itself. Everything was speeding towards the center of the pizza. I grabbed Dad's hand. Dad grabbed the crust. We held on for dear life. It's a pizza black hole, shouted Dad. Everything's being sucked in. Everything, I yelled. Dad gulped. Everything. And Millie wants to come up and say hello again. Oh my goodness, there she is. Dad was awful strong. The black holes were stronger. Especially, what's that? A pizza black hole. Oh no, it's got a mushroom nose. You guys see that mushroom nose? We lost some water. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh no, Millie. I can't hang on anymore, Dad yelled. Together we flew into the swirling pizza vortex. Millie, you're doing so good helping me turn the pages. Everything stayed black. Gotta read this one. This one. As black as a burnt pizza crust. Oh, good job, Millie. One stuck, Mil. Let's try this. Oh, and then, boom. Oh, the pizza. A big bang. Oh my goodness, what happened, Mil? What happened, friends? Oh my gosh. The universe exploded in a burst of pizza toppings. Everything was pizza. Pizza, Millie, everything's pizza. Dad and I were launched through the pizza gallery. Oh, galaxy, not gallery. And into the pizza solar system. We flew towards Pizza Earth, into our pizza town. Did you guys see that pizza town? Look at that. Oh, look at that. There's all kinds of stuff in that town. Huh. What else happens? We landed back in our pizza shop. There you go, Sweet Pea. She wants to read a story. Or I should say, our pizza shop. Dad looked at me. Perfect, he said, unsure. perfect. What a mess with that pizza, huh? There was pizza everywhere. I like sausage and pineapple on my pizza. I don't think I'd like worms very much on my pizza. What do you like on your pizza? Oh, that is awesome. Such a good deal. I love it. All right, friends. We'll see you next time. Bye.